Today we're staying at Disney's Riviera Resort in a deluxe studio standard view room. This room sleeps up to 5 people and has a lot of cool features and amenities, a lot of cool artwork that we want to show you, and for a standard view it actually has a pretty amazing theme park / fireworks view. So come with us to check it out. Okay, as we walk in here, as you're gonna see, this is actually a closet here in this room. And then this is the connecting door if you have like a 1-bedroom connected to it to make this a 2-bedroom lock off. So let's start off here in the closet. So as you can see, you have pretty basic stuff where you can hang your clothes, you got an in-room safe, you got a luggage rack, and then a collapsible laundry basket, because there's not laundry in this room, but there is a laundry facility at this hotel that you can use while you're staying here. Got some shelving up top with an extra pillow and blanket, and you've got your ironing board and iron, as well as a vacuum if you should need to use that. So pretty big space, lots of room to store things, whatever you would need. Alright, and then again, this is the front door. What's cool over here is you have a little space to maybe drop off, your keys or wallet or magic band, whatever, what have you. And then it also has a master switch to turn off everything in the room, just to make it easy. Over here you have like a coat rack or a hat rack, what have you. You can hang things up here. Now this is a split level bathroom, which is super nice and convenient. If you have, again, up to the 5 people in here, multiple people can get ready in the morning as you're going to the parks. On this side of the bathroom you have a toilet and then a walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, which is really nice. And this is just beautiful in here. Just tons and tons of space. It's got a bench. And then this is where you have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, as well as a little area that you can set some things down, anything else you would need obviously while you're getting ready. It does have the detachable unit as well that you can use if you don't want to use the rainfall shower head. Then coming over here, looks like you just got some artwork on the wall. And then some racks for some towels, washcloths. And down here, it's gonna be kind of silly, I don't know if you can pick it up, but it actually has the Riviera logo stamped on the toilet paper, so super fancy. And then these are gonna be separated by pocket doors. Just wanna lift up here. You can pull on that to close that shut, and then it does lock off if you need it. Same thing over here with this one. The pocket doors are super nice so that you're not taking up space, opening and closing the doors. And then kind of coming on in here, this is where your makeup mirror is, which does have a light in it, and then your bathroom mirror and sink. You've got some soap and some lotion, as well as some tissues, some toilet paper, some extra tissues. Down there you have your hair dryer, and then you also have some more towels, some washcloths and whatnot. And then this is your shower tub combo. Again, you have some more towels, as well as shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. And then this is just a detachable shower head here. But super nice. Just kind of scanning around here. But Lots and lots of space. Again, very beautiful room. Love the decor, love the artwork. And then over here you have a full-size mirror. So there's tons and tons of places to spread out, tons and tons of places to get ready. And coming over here is your kitchenette. You have a microwave, coffee maker, you have a little sink and a refrigerator. Under the sink is going to be where you have your recycling bin. You can also have some storage down there. Kind of the same thing for down here. Got some extra paper towels and some storage. Over here is where you have actually real bowls and some plates and some silverware, as well as some coffee mugs. So that's really, really nice. If you do need any to-go mugs for the park and some lids and whatnot, you can request that, but they do have some here as well. And then you have some regular cups, your ice bucket, and toaster. And then over here, this is really cool because we're staying in a DVC room. Here's a list of some other of the amenities that you can request. So just scan in on that and you can pause to see, but there's a ton of stuff that you can get while you're here just simply by requesting it. If they don't have it, I mean, you kind of need to manage your expectations, but most of the times they should have it. Again, it's just a request, but they're usually pretty good about accommodating that. This is also something that's kind of neat if you or need to wash off any dishes. It's one of the few resorts that has like a detachable faucet there to kind of wash off your dishes and whatnot, so that's really neat. Actually, let me just kind of scan over here, kind of see the entryway, and then I don't know if I had showed this earlier, but beautiful chandelier. All the light fixtures in this room are just awesome. All right, now coming into the main part of the bedroom. This is queen size bed. Down here you have drawers that come out so you can store things. Actually pretty deep drawers. You can actually store a pretty big bag. And then underneath you can store additional luggage if you need it. Coming over here, you got your thermostat on the wall, as well as this cool piece of artwork here. Coming over here, you've got some USB outlets, as well as another outlet with your Disney, and then some extra storage over here as well. Wanted to point out here on the headboard is a hidden Mickey. So that's really fun when you can find those. And then we had this on our bed when we got here, left by the mousekeepers. Coming over here, you've got a trash can, TV, some more outlets, USB outlets. This is actually a pull-down Murphy bed. It's really cool. It's Pascal themed, and it does have a light here, as you can see. And then if you don't want that on, you can just hit that button. But it's pretty easy to lift up and down. I did that one-handed. All right, coming back over here to this part of the room. Again, on this side of the bed, gonna be pretty similar storage. You got your phone, some more regular and USB outlets. Then over here we have your couch, kind of your living sitting area here. And this is actually a really cool piece of art. If you look here, this is actually Lightning McQueen. And then if you look over here, this is actually shaped like a car. I believe this is supposed to be from Cars 2. But yeah, super, super nice. And you've got a coffee table with more storage here. Again, very deep. Lots of little spaces to put things. And then coming over here, you have a dining table and chairs, as well as a mirror and a light, and more regular and USB outlets. Scan around here so you can get a feel for this room. Again, it's very spacious, very, very nice deluxe studio. I think the only deluxe studio on property that's bigger than this one here at the Riviera is the one at the Polynesian. I wanted to show you these curtains here. They have the RR logo embedded in them for the Riviera Resort, so that's really, really neat. And then coming out to our balcony, these doors are really heavy, but they do have double locks, so that's really, really nice. Coming out here, got a chair, another chair at the table, and then we've got another hidden Mickey. So here is our view. This is considered a standard view. But as we scan around here, there's the main entrance to the Riviera, right there. Zoom in a little closer. So we look up. Oops. There is the Epcot Mall, Spaceship Earth. Coming over here, then the building for Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, I'm not exactly sure because it's our first night staying here, but we might be able to see fireworks from over here. I would imagine so. A lot of the views here, standard view, higher up, you should be able to see fireworks from your balcony. So we'll have to see and maybe take some video of that a little bit later. Yeah, we love Riviera. It's a very, very nice resort. Very, very beautiful and peaceful here. Great access to the Skyliner, and just a lot to do. All right, now coming back inside here, I wanted to show you the Murphy bed. What it looks like here with this bed down. There's still quite a lot of space here, even with this bed down. As you can see, the artwork here is the 101 Dalmatians. This does have a light in the back, and there's the switch there. Turn that on and off, but when you close the bed, it will automatically turn off. So I'm gonna come around back here and pull this one down here as well, so you can get a better idea of what it's like with all of the beds. Still a significant amount of space in the room, despite having these beds down. Did put the coffee table underneath the bed, but there still is quite a bit of storage for some luggage even back there on both sides of the bed. Yeah, pretty awesome. Sleeping 5 could feel pretty cramped, but with the extra space that this room has, I mean, unless you have 5 adults, it's actually pretty reasonable. We've got 2 small children, and with the 4 of us, it's definitely fine. But even if we had another kid, I think this would be a good amount of space. So there you have it. Let me go ahead and put this back up. Again, I'm doing this one-handed. It is a little heavy, so you definitely need to apply some force. But it definitely can be done. And there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful room. Well, that's going to do it for our room tour here at Disney's Riviera Resort and Deluxe Studio Standard View. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, as it really does help out the channel. We'd really appreciate the support. Also, if you've ever stayed here before, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Did you love it? Did you not love it? There's a lot of people that do and a lot of people that don't. So we'd love to hear what you think about it. Let us know. Also, please stick around for some other great Disney content coming up here on our channel. And if you'd like to check out some of our other videos, click this video here.